matching with regular expression or not. How to write regular expressions in HTML we learned. How we can define regular expressions we discussed. So we have to write those regular expressions and verify them. So let's take an example here. So a simple doc type HTML head and title. So match. Okay. And in the body section, I'm just configuring here a field set. So with legend, some register user. And in this, we have a data list with a data term, some username. And here we have just input type is equal to text. ID as txt name. Okay. And here we have password. And input type is equal to password. Earlier, to verify the passwords, so we have learned we can write a pattern here. We can write a pattern here. So, but we can verify dynamically. So patterns will verify while submitting the form. Not while submitting the form, while typing itself, it should verify. Then we can configure, suppose ID, password, PWD, another data term, some mobile, and data definition, input type is equal to text. ID, txt, mobile. Okay. So this is the form that we have. And in this, we need some validation to define. So we have to verify and we need to display the details. Suppose username, we want alphanumeric 4 to 15 characters, uppercase letters like that. Then we will write a pattern. But now we will not write a pattern. So on key up, so verify name function will come. Here on key up, verify password function will come. And here on key up, verify mobile will come. These are the options. So verify name, verify password, verify mobile. These are the functions. In the head section, we will write a script. In the script, so first I will write the function verify name. Okay. And the name related message I want to display below. Another data definition ID is LBL name. Another data definition ID is LBL password. And the mobile data definition here, LBL ID is equal to LBL mobile. Okay. Now, when verify name happened, now I need to verify the name by using a regular expression. So while typing, I should verify. So then first we have to write regular expression. Regular expression. So regular expression here for name. Generally, when we write regular expressions in JavaScript, we have to enclose the regular expression in double quotes, double slash. Generally, in HTML, regular expressions are written in double quotes. So here in JavaScript, they are need to be kept in double slash. Inside those two slashes, you have to write the regular expression. So I am writing here a-z and some 4, 10. That means only uppercase letters 4 to 10. Okay, that is regular expression. And txt name is equal to get element by id. Txt name, we need to access the value. Now I have to verify whether the name entered is matching or not. Whether the name entered is matching or not, I have to verify that. So the name entered matching with regular expression and display in this message. So where LBL name document get element by ID, LBL name, that is label. So we have to verify if txt name dot match, that means is it matching with regular expression. If it is matching with regular expression, then I need to say that name verified. That means then we will give focus to the next field, or we will just display some message. So, or we can display some effects. We can display some effects and styles. To display the effects and styles, generally I will put a simple like yesterday's link relation style sheet and href is equal to node modules. So that is bootstrap dist css bootstrap css, and the link relation is style sheet href. So node modules bootstrap icons font icons.css. Now here I need to apply them. Just first apply in the body section some class container fluid. Okay. And here we are using class form control. All are defined with the class form control. And here class form control. Okay. And we need to define this inside a form group. Yeah. Now for username, for password, for mobile, usually we can now put the input groups and display. That means we will display like the real world screens, generally how they look like. So instead of displaying the messages, we can put some icons and symbols. That we will do that. So let's go to the bootstrap icons, and here we have icons. We have a user icon. We have a user icon. So that is person fill. That is the user icon. Okay. So let's go and write here. So I will give in this data definition, yeah, class is equal to input group, and here we will put a span, and class input group text, and here, so we given as bi user person fill. So that is the option here. That is for username. Username is defined for that. Okay, and now another for field set, I will give the class as W25. So the size will be adjusted here. So user password, right? Fine. Now that is the size adjusted. Okay, for password, what we will do is for the password or the username right side also, we will give a option here. So right side here we will display a span. So class as input group text, input group text, and ID we will give as LBL name, LBL name. So I will keep there so that it will display here. So LBL name, it will display right side. We can put different symbols there according to what user is typing. And for password, so let's keep a span class. So input group text, and this is input group again. Okay, and here we defined so BI and BI password. So that is key fill. So that is key fill. That is for password, the symbol for password. And right side we will give, yeah, in the data definition